We have installed MBlock. We have understood about the various components of MBlock. We have also added the extensions, and now we are ready to create our first program. So to create first program, we need to build a sequence of blocks in this programming canvas. Now how do we do that? We bring these blocks to the programming canvas and we place them in a logical sequence as per requirement of our program. So to bring the block, you select the block using mouse. Do not leave the mouse, left click, bring here and leave it. So it is called drag and drop. Click, bring, leave. So this way we can bring the blocks here and we can put them in a logical order to create our program. Now let's see something. Here we can see a protruding part and here we can see a notch. And if you see, they look to be in same shape. They can get attached to each other. And if I take this block close, I see a white area indicating me that these blocks will get attached. I leave it, they get attached. If you see here, at this place it is not close enough. When I take it close enough, it becomes white, indicating me that I can leave and the block will get attached. Now if I want to attach these blocks under here, can I attach them? No, I can't attach them, because here I have a protruding part but I don't have a matching notch here. So I cannot attach any block above the Curious Mind block. I can only attach the blocks below Curious Mind block, which clearly indicates that Curious Mind is going to be my first block of program. It will indicate the start of program. And because it is going to be at the top, we also call this block hat block. Now let's observe one thing. When I bring this Curious Mind block, observe here. I bring the Curious Mind block. Has anything changed here? No, nothing has changed here. Our program has not changed. I bring this setup vehicle block. I keep it here. Has anything changed here? Nothing. So which means I have still not built a program. I bring it here and I attach it here. The things have changed here. That means that the moment I attached any block to my Curious Mind block, it affects the program in the Arduino. A new program in Arduino gets created. So let's say I add one more block. I add this block here. I select it, add it. My program is getting updated. So every time I attach a block with Curious Mind block at the top, I have a program. The moment I remove it from here, the program vanishes. So these blocks have no meaning if they are not attached to the Curious Mind block. They get a meaning only when they get attached to the Curious Mind block. So now let's write our first program. So I want my robot to move forward for some distance and then stop. So I'll use vehicle forward. Then I will use vehicle stop. So vehicle will go forward and it will stop. Technically this is a right program. Though there are some logical mistakes here, we will talk about those logical mistakes in our next classes. Right now I can upload this program into my microcontroller. So how do I upload this and what steps I need to follow to upload this program? I need to follow two steps before I upload the program. Those two steps are, I need to select a proper board. So I know that I am going to use Arduino Uno as my microcontroller. So I need to select inside the boards, click on the boards and select Arduino Uno. Now why do I do that? Because this program has to be uploaded on Arduino Uno. These commands, Arduino Uno cannot understand these commands. It doesn't understand English, digital, write. It doesn't understand English. What it understands is language of ones and zeros. There are so many different Arduino boards from the Arduino family. Each one of them have slight differences in the way they execute a program. There are very small differences in the way they execute, or so when I convert this program into a program of ones and zeros into a binary program, I need to tell my converter for which Arduino board it should convert this program. So if I don't give a correct board here, it will convert the program in an incorrect language and hence it will fail. So first thing I need to do is select a correct board. So the second step I need to do is to connect the port. For that I will go to connect and I will look at the serial port. Now I see that there is a COM32 communication port 32 which is already displayed here, but I have not connected my microcontroller to the PC, which means my COM32 is being used by something else. So let me connect the microcontroller. Now the moment I connect the microcontroller, I go here and I see one more COM port. And so my board is connected to this COM port 76. So I'll select this COM port. I have selected the board, I have selected the COM port. Now I'm ready to upload the program. To upload the program, I'm going to click on this upload to Arduino button. The moment I do that, I see some instructions here. So my uploading of program has begun. I get a message here, upload finished. That means my upload is finished successfully. I close this and now I'm ready with the program in my microcontroller. So once I connect the microcontroller to my vehicle will follow these instructions which I have written in my program.